Hi everyone, this is Prashad, your English fluency guide. Welcome to our channel Prashadu Putnuru. Today in this video, I'm going to read one motivational quote and I'm going to explain that quote. This really, I hope, will be an amazing quote, will be wonderful, definitely will inspire you a lot. Okay? I'm only one, but still I'm one. I cannot do everything, but still I can do something. And because I cannot do everything, I will not refuse to do something which I can. Once again, I am only one, but still I am one. Here, the meaning of this sentence is I am only one. When you say I am only one, that shows your negative feeling. You feel that you are only one, nobody is there to help you. You want to become successful person, you want to achieve something, but you need somebody's help. I am only one. So why do you feel like that? I'm only one. Still you are one. Still you are one. You are one living being. You have your own thoughts. You have your own creativity. You have your own imagination. Why do you feel like that? I am only one. Don't feel like that. Feel positive. Still you are one. You are a living being with extraordinary mindset. Feel like that. So don't say I am only one. Nobody is there to help me. Don't never feel like that. And come to the second one, next one. I cannot do everything. Can we do everything? We can achieve everything. We can learn all the languages in the world? No. But still, I can do something. I cannot do everything, but still I can do something. I can do whatever I can. I will try. I will try my level best. I will try to do it. I will put sincere efforts in doing that task. I may not do everything. I cannot do everything. That's true. But you can do something. So feel positive every time. I cannot do everything. Don't feel like that. You can do something. And because I cannot do everything, I will not refuse to do something which I can. Listen to me very carefully. And because I cannot do everything. Okay, anyway, I can't do everything, no. Okay, because I cannot do everything, I will not refuse to do something which I can. I will not refuse to do something which I can. Whatever I can, I will do it. I will not refuse to do it because I don't have all the ability. I cannot do everything. Because of that thing, I will not refuse to do something which I can. So what does it mean? Don't refuse to do thing which you can. You can do something. You may not do everything. You don't have that much ability to do everything. Of course, no one in this world can do everything. Yes or no? We all have some ability and we have some powers. Okay, and we have limited power. Nobody in this world can do everything. So my dear friends, you can get a lot of inspiration from this. If you want to become successful, if there is no one to help you, never feel bad about it. First help yourself. When you help yourself, automatically the world will be ready to help you. Don't expect help from anyone. Help yourself first of all, whatever it is. Okay, I'm going to repeat this quote once again. I hope you can understand better. I'm only one, but still I'm one. I cannot do everything, but still I can do something. And because I cannot do everything, I will not refuse to do something which I can. So, my dear friends, always try your level best. Put your sincere efforts in doing the task. If you want to achieve something, try your level best. Try your level best. Work hard. Never quit. Don't give up. Never be afraid of the failure. Failures will teach you a great lesson. So, failures is part and parcel of getting success. If you really want to get success, you have to accept the failure. Definitely, one or two times, three times, four times, or five times, or even 100 times, or even 1,000 times, even 10,000 times, you may fail. That's common. So, be ready to fail. Your target is to get success. You will get there. One day or other, you will get there. You must have patience. You need to fail number of times before you get success. and you will gain experience. Every time you fail, you will gain experience. That experiences will teach you to reduce the mistakes, how to achieve success. So always think positive, be brave, and never give up. Definitely you will get success. Be happy and try to help others. Never expect help from others. So you have to try to help others whatever you can. You have to try to help others, then only you will get help in return. Okay, thank you all of you. I hope this video will be very helpful to you. If you like this video, please hit the bell, hit the like button, and share it with your friends and family members too. If you are new to my channel, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any video from this channel. Thank you all of you. See you in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye.